Back again. Ride zone, baby. Alex, what you doing? You shopping? Ooh. Ooh, what is this? Ooh. 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 What do you think? Take this one home today? Look at that. There he is, the guy. Mr. JJ. Oh, another beautiful day, right? Not too bad. I think we're about a week late. Alex, this is JJ.
Nice to meet you.
Oh, look, there we go. There's the rest of the team right there, baby. You know, we got to make our videos at the same time. My guy.
How are you?
Man,
Hey.
we're ready to do some more business, right?
What's up, man? How are you?
This is Alex.
Hey, Johnny, come here.
He does
That's
all
my
of
son.
them. Oh, where?
Hi, Johnny.
Oh, okay,
That's
okay.
Will right here.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
Hey, he want to meet you, man.
Yeah,
He
yeah.
said
Did you get to, is this the one that got to drive the Jeep?
No.
No, okay,
the
okay,
other
okay.
one. That's the other one.
Oh,
Johnny,
okay.
Say hi. Yeah, he want to look at videos all the time.
Yeah, this is Alex. He does all of our welding, diesel mechanics. He's head of the shop. He takes care of all that. So he keeps seeing all the trucks that we're trying to get down here. So you know what? Let me go down there and take a look at all them trucks.
Welcome, man.
So,
Welcome back to
yeah,
Houston.
man. I think we're here for
That's
a week this
number
time.
3. That's number 3, huh?
Yeah, that's right. You guys just... No, man, I haven't got to look at it yet. No. No, you guys said it's a beast. I was all right. Let's do it. Wrap it up. Put a bow. You didn't put a bow on it though. Well, you did better. You got the flag. You got the flags.
Another truck or two again. Johnny knows my name. Boss Johnny in the office, grin like a chick. We shook hands fast and we circled the deck. Crew all hollering, go on, get that one. Little feast up when the deal got done. Mud on the fender, shine in the grill. New keys jingle in the night when still hotshot trucking. We don't never stall if the bed looks right and we want them all. I'm back again. Riding with a plan and I slide again. We're still in the wind. Hear it riding.
What do you think?
Back again, back
Like that one?
again.
Yeah.
Keep on trucking back again. Back again, back again. Boss man Johnny, no. Another truck or two again.
Oh, look at that tablet in there.
Johnny knows my name. Boss Johnny said, pick your best. We said, put it to the test. Back again, back again. New truck roll fresh in the lane. Say one more time for the chain. Back again, back again, back again, back again, back again, back again. Keep on trucking back again. Boss man Johnny, no. Another truck or two again. Johnny knows my name.
My guys, man. You gonna drive this this week? Gonna test drive it all week? You know how to drive one of these?
I used to have a dually.
I'm just messing with you.
I had my silver Chevy.
I do like that tablet.
That's a big one. Big tablet, man. Sheesh. Oh. They didn't get rid of the mega cab yet? Uh-oh.
You don't need all that space.
Uh-oh.
That takes away from your bed.
Let's take a look. Let's see what they got here. probably gonna need some more.
Look at those.
I like them.
Beat box on it.
Oh yeah.
Look at that. I like that. I like that. High country.
Yeah.
Or this one. I like that one
Ooh, I kind of like it white too. Nah, the black is better, right? Yeah.
too. The white's too much. Black goes to white.
We're gonna go out here and do some shopping. Alex is needing a new ride, so there's your truck right there, bud.
And that one has the lighting, all the lights around the wheels too. Turn them on too.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. What are you doing, Alex?
I'm getting too excited is what I'm getting.
What are you about to do? You about to look at buying this?
If they'll let me.
Look, it's got. Oh, it's already got the panel.
Star edition.
It's got the panel already. It's already got the.
This is built for me.
This is you. Pull it out. Let's pull it up here. We're just gonna keep buying all their trucks out. There you go. Man, I'm telling you, these guys are taking care of us.
I hope you will. You'll sell me this truck.
Oh, look, bro, it's already got the bumper right there. Let me get that.
It has a $500 hitch.
Yeah.
A $500 hitch. And a ball.
There.
Look at that smile.
Look at him. Huh?
It's a mega cab.
Oh, it is a mega cab. Bro, that'd be a mega cab. Let's switch it around.
If I was driving this, I think I'd get too cocky. I think I'd feel like a rich guy.
All right, so check it out. We've been here, I don't know, 15 minutes? Maybe about 20. What do you think of these guys so far?
I think they're awesome. They sell me a truck. I'll pledge loyal.
Man. See that? Look at that. Ah! Man. Oh.
Forgot to put the tag on.
Oh, gotcha. What's that?
Said I love it.
You love it?
Oh, dude. Yeah. I'm still not used to having a backup camera.
Oh, it's got a backup camera? Nice. Nice. Mike said he's got something for us in the office. Mike,
It's
lead the
coming.
way.
It's coming. You go ahead.
Oh,
Go
okay.
ahead. Go ahead.
We'll go ahead and sit down. Let's see what he's got.
Make a space.
Oh, man, look at these guys.
Come on.
What do you got there, Mike? What do you got?
Bring the coat. Let's set it up here, man. Best food in town.
There we go. That'll work.
Yes. Best food in town.
My guy right there.
Alright, guys. Where's your other guy?
I think he's out driving around, or who knows what he's doing.
So I moved everything in pretty much. Alright. Sorry guys, was a short notice thing.
Hey, that's all right. We're a week late. We were supposed to be here last week. You see this? Customer service, man. Look at this. Look at this.
Oh, was a short notice. We could be more prepared.
That's all right. That's all right, though.
I like that.
You see this, man? Customer service, baby. Look at that.
That's awesome.
I mean,
Didn't I tell you these guys take care of us? Like,
everything. Yeah. It's a lot of stuff.
man, look at that.
Alright.
Man, look. Oh,
Help yourself. Hot tacos.
look at that. Man.
Yeah.
These are my guys right here.
Only for
My
people
guys.
from Kansas.
Hey,
Only for
hey, he's lying. No. You come down here, man. They take care of you. Let me tell you, they take care of you. They go the extra mile. I mean, look at this. Look, man.
Okay, Johnny, get the coke going. Can you open the?
Hey, Alex. Hey, what were you just saying? What did Ro just tell you?
Got approved for that black one?
Nah. Yeah?
Yeah.
Ro?
Yeah.
Man, let me flip this around. Man, this is crazy. These guys just pull it off again.
Yeah, that literally has the. That's the one.
This one too young for that.
I built trucks more powerful.
Yeah, we're too young for that truck, man.
Man, you know, he works hard though.
Okay.
He works hard, so he needs something nice. So this guy right here, this is the real boss, right? What was your name? John. Okay. And you run the show around here now, right? They don't matter. You are the man. You're the man. You're the boss. Hey, let's take a seat at your new desk over there. Let's get a picture of you. This is you. This is what you're going to be doing now. Man, look, you do a little, there you go, put your hand up there. My guy, that's what I'm talking about right there. That looks good on you. So, when I come in next time, you're going to be here, right?
Yeah.
Yep, see, that's where I'm going. And then we'll come up and you're going to sell me the next one, right?
Yeah, I'll give you a discount.
Oh, man, hey, discounts. You see this? Oh, man. You see this? Another one. They did another deal. And then while we were here, I think they did 2 more deals. They sold the other truck I was wanting to pick up, and I couldn't because somebody else beat me to it because I was a few days late. And they sold it. That's all right though. They got plenty more. All you gotta do is tell them, hey, this is what I'm looking for. Within a week or 2, they have it here. I love it. All right, got us another one. Is that yours? That's your truck? Look at it. Hey, there we go. This is my guys right here. My guys. And that's RIDEZONE down here in Houston, man. This is the place to buy. This is it. I gotta tell these guys. Look at this. Go ahead and you can go ahead and put that in there. So he's got it. Yep. It's pretty nice truck, man.
I love that fuel too.
You got approved, didn't I tell you? What were you worried that you weren't gonna get it?
Yeah, I really was.
Yeah.
24 years old, so I'm always worried.
Not the
about
best credit, right?
that. Yeah, no, horrible.
You pay a little bit more money, right? But who cares? You got approved. Look at these guys, man. Look at this.
They're
Yeah, that's exactly what they do.
willing to give them a chance.
Who does this, man? We buy a truck and then they top us off on fuel too. They fed us. They met Alex. He
Great
put his app
people.
in. He don't have the best credit. We walked away with a truck too. This is great.
That's a food truck.
That's the food
I was
truck?
gonna try that last time.
That's
Yeah, it's good. We appreciate it, Mike.
Thank you. Thank you, guys.
And that's the new boss right there. That's the new boss. We're gonna start doing business with him.
With him.
All right, we'll see you guys on the next video.
Running that line, now spin again. Whistle in the wind, here it rides.